So, my main name is it's just about 11 minutes after 7. And later this morning, my general, your general, our general, Captain Smash will be joining me on set night at the Ghana and Komo earlier this morning. But still, medical catcher, no. The mayor for Kofodia, Ababeka na Jabin MC Ababeka. We just want to have a friendly conversation. That the spokesperson for the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources shall also be joining us. So that's a woman, yes, I mean, Kabi. But then, I mean, kind of once and for all. As a crime, I heard that who said, "Be produce and pete dodo, pete." Pete, sorry, I'm not probably also watching. I miss me die because on money baby that on the nam 10 wasa and on your hand wada. Onye tifi anu wada, onye anafu anu wada. Baby obenye biya na pete anu wada because of you say. Procrastination. Otutu nyema de sheda. Eche so enemeye, ochina meye. Ubi out is biya from a nail corner to Sawadre because emre anyone the ma biya. I have come to realize that over 30 years of existence in our country called Ghana, now I enjoy democracy for over more than 30 years. The same issue now, say. From that time, minister to say, "Efinami hunyema." So and now, many nyema jimu da honwa, minimi yansa, mihu enyema, mitumi analyzing the money ye pa. Esotwa. Yes, hey. And then there is what it's not baby bakwe yiri, not just say, Yaka wasema. But rainfall, heavy rainfall should not be a topical discussion on major television or radio station discussion. No! Come on! I will not have time to talk about this. Say Swato, a year for me. No, my benya dajana mitiada make come once. Say the same thing. Nah, I will not talk about it. Because ye dim ye ya just say ye but ye bu ye nya gunyama bi so because of amanyosem ti na ye nya ne pe ti ye nya ne pe wie in the drying season it should top dem na ya me a kire so ni me ansa chen ye hwe dia po nyakopo basa ye adom tetete pom nyakopo no. There is one thing if you don't know, I am telling you today. Ohu a kire asem e ka ne ne. Nyame obo soro bo asase obo nsuo esaso bo awia oni mechira sem e ka ne oyi echira sem e kire wenne e ka kire o say hey to wo for na fa ho adwe because me the adwe ni yansa de show trim but never be wo no ma I the Lord your God will never do it for you. God has given you today but he has never promised you whatever you go through today. Yakupo de natural. But one show boss say or how nya mane any niji a obeji na nemu no or the ama wene. No. That is your own discretion. It is a na nyame ye wadom na won kwa wadwene wo nyansa na wo ye bibia Yakupo de dika atwa hofoni e de akyerew. I can just say, this is how I want my day to look like in your eyes. So there are some days that it will look very surprising. There are some days that it will look very shocking. There are some days that it will look very sorrowful. And there are some days that you will look so extremely happy just because this is the day the Lord has made. Other than the dear what time was what's in Yamini wedding the year, but they do need time there. What's in Yamini the year pa. It is because of the way and manner we conduct ourselves. Nyankopon e de na cheyen, but Nyankopon am promise yen. Wa share boss or de na or china and na say nyema e wo enemu no. Say ye ni jo, say ya reho, say ye dey yo or the better yen. God never promised us that. It is yes see ya chiri oban I from the Ghana. Na ye to me echa sikadoso puo. Near the man Nadmo for say Nadmo Eye kiane ke nso beto be yiri nkofo. Nti yekoto emo tu jimi. Yekoto anwa. Yekope mattress. Yekope what have you. Ni yefa kon rescue sa nkofo we ye mbekwa hunye hia mu na. That is man no, we don't have any sense of focus. It means that we do not have any sense of focus because we have every luxury of opportunity and every time to think ahead. But I'm beginning to admit, sir, the PW Bocha somewhere around 1985 in the apartheid state in South Africa said this, said, the average African do not think about his life for more than 1 year. We do not plan. And said that let us do a 10-year development plan, let us do a 5-year development plan, let us do a 20-year development plan within the short term, the middle term, and the long term. But we plan about what we will eat today and forget about tomorrow. Knowing very well, sir, tomorrow will be there staring at our faces like zombie. And you see that you can say, you have so how beba, you have so many beba. Na sa made ni how no, yentimi enso no, aye so no ebetimi ayeye. But enam adwebone, amanyosam, pesabi kumiya, any greed. Enti ye just say demani bi wo no a ye ntwen ye so no but ye be twen atil say sa oha no beba ni ya sa so asu ni ya fresh am drofo ni ya the microphone akwakosi sa akofo we ya no ni ya ka say dadado boaye yo bahama boaye yo atabes boaye yo sa ni de sa na fina ko da wiye. So money that is expected to be used to construct roads. Sika yenim se eda hodomo a ye de bayi gutters. Sika yenim se eda hodomo a ye betimi de ayi akwan. Sika eda hodomo a ye betimi de school adan. Sika eda hodomo a yenim se de bayi bibi papa bia e betimi aboa be no mienu na aboa the entire generation. Near the Saskada command that move for say that move edru ne eden a mufa koboa ahiafo ne mobrowafo. Anyone a seven producer omo adwen anya adwuma a omkosi dan esi nsuo mu. Look, osi dasi so mu a enja hwe. Because ezulezu for crowd omo ye dey, omo dan so. But it's about the way and manner you do it. And no, and I know how and they are braying. Hwe na anu pipi ko aban mu. It's as if brave wo hono mu a pipi for na afa. Including a buying sasia, your friend the cantonment and the rage sasia. Ye na ye nim say e ya buying sase. Na ya ton amakwab na ne because or ye MPP na wa buying so. Na na da kwaku for the president nti ye masa ankofo no sase no mutumi ye den. Eni di so. And this is what I am. And this is ni bia be make sure say ono so benya sase or cantonment. Obenya sase o osu. Obenya sase o rich just because na ban and the power. Ne hiane so uska kakra bi. But in the end, we will come and cry and plead for mercy to the government of the day and say that, hey, Abai, it's right for me die. My emo bododo. Now, person Ghana. Ya tobo ye tia kagu ye triso ayenye sika efa konkotua na kakra hiafo ne mobrowafo atiti wo modremu ne ye de ama aban so fa nyuma papa bi no ne ye de ama wo kwabda ne se wo nko age kokodi just because wo say edan ezuo afa wo dan wajapade asay water has misplaced you with the exception of the fact that some of the things are natural, it will occur naturally, but it's just something that we are causing it artificially. And you be here, you can say you're causing artificially, say, when you're the same so quite penny. But you're free, you're bombing free town duku. It's you're free, maybe making sure say, let's sit down and you see so quite anymore. In so top and dry and family home. And that is what I'm talking about. So government will not pay attention to your useless calls. But I'm simply surprised and I'm simply shocked about the fact to say, Yera, John Dramani Mahama, what happened to the instructions you gave to the Accra regional minister, the Accra engineer, and all those people who were involved when you visited the Donna River? And then how and then you come. Naka yada sorry na pa adopa hima mentehe adopa hima na mentehe ni yada sorry na pa say there's a certain place called a friend said Crow from another airport runabout e was Ashanti region and Ashanti region e ho ina flooded yentehe hey na ni pent mi nko e bi ntimi ma. In the Ashanti region of Crow from airport runabout, the heart of the city where the end pain mubia assess of in crime, not all kokumasia. Odu honoma, a honoma yiri, in so for honumina because in so at all. Namitin Tesuka crabby to assassin so it is just a fear jedum. Ya braye home. This is a country we call Ghana. Every single place, with all due respect, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, we did not vote for you to come and lament on issues. Daddy, Yantu Ghana for two something that trouble mount, Sebekasa was them home. And every single appointee, oh yeah, a Bamuni Pa, John Dramani Mahama, Atu and Safro, our appointee, Sekoja di Brebi. John Dramani Mahama and Kenton say, Branabe Kasatira Ghana for, we don't need so much talks. Yeah, Pekasatin Tibia, near here Cassia Pan say, Obeko no solving issues. Yeah, Pekasatin Tibia, near here say, go on the grounds and solve issues that are very crucial to the plight of the people. It's anything says so to another because in so many for crying na a fa crying na castle ko ebim ko na biaba e ko fo nkwa dwuma then it will reduce our productivity. And so when you are in a rainy season, productivity obviously becomes very low. But why should that happen? Elsewhere, ekofo fie any omoja pade any adaya hodo are beautiful and you see apostle. There are some people who are living on the sea and they are living so normal. And they think that Ghana yet to be adopted that style. And I say, who say young person to me adopted to a style where a bit me favor every single individual. It's lazy for the man what is in Suaf is lazy for. I mean, some brothers are what is so. They drink water, they see water, they do everything in the water. The burn water say in so at all. I'm a nayiri afezule for. Because I one way see. So obviously it is one of the reasons why it tells us to say we do not think as a country. Yeah, as individuals. We do not think as a government. Abandon J and Quetri. This is like the about to want to move for the next 5 years. He said, yeah, planning ahead of our lives. 5-year development plan, 10 years development plan. Let us make sure that we are executing a certain target or we are planning towards a certain target. Let us achieve that target before I leave office. It's not about who cares for you. It's not about your interest. It's not about your political interest, but about the interest of the entire population. Zagara nini Kenya, nagara nini Ejia. Oji onu kwa ni pesa mikumi ya unti. Oji about who do for you na ehu because on him said there's a certain 10-year development plan. One plan there two on said say abandon poor engineer na official na sabafo from bar. Yansa ni Ejia when it's munti obeye. Intende so to another topical discussion. Na inso eku innocent people. It's so good innocent people for no reason. And this I call madness. Enra, don't tell area muho. Yeah, quite keke o, acquiring keke. Just acquire. I do 1 kilometer of road. Near to me, see come na ne FA. Near to me, see come for school. Near to me, I blockade come for Look, we have blocked people entering to their own homes. Near expect to say, be before from me to me if Nazareth Abba. How? How can we live as a country in a situation like this? How can we live in a situation, especially in a country like this, over 30 years of our development? Ya de na ochina ena ochina ya dani ya hu pete na yesi ochina ebeye ochina chi ebeye ebeye ya de ebeye sa ababa se yo no ababa se sa na de na se de agi ya ni so ne ekwe. So we do not plan our lives beyond 1 year. But how can we plan our lives? We should be able to make sure, say, baby, I buy dear, baby, I waterways, baby, I swear the quiet, mammy, alcohol, mammy, ton, but mammy, friend, the bread, and the sick pair, if I toss, I say, if I'm one I was no worsker. And I saw my pa. Yes, see, your engineers, our Chromeham Musea, those engineers are well knowledgeable enough. I bet to be a year in Century be at a say, echo for how be a farmer, but where are the engineers? That's a Chromeham Musea, Madonna River, and West Sea. But then the perfect sense, Subeto. Yanni, unquestionably. Yanni, unquestionably. It's a Madonna River. Emwasi. Ebusi wiye no. Afeni ya start bobo ye hene. Ena insure for me dan. Ena insure. Ne expect say natbo. Am I there? Natbo for me there. Every single government lands and every single waterways. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, be bold enough because Ghanaians have given you a certain mandate. Ghana farmers have 2 million. His Excellency, bubu sadani nagu, bubu every single house are blocking waterways so that you can free your mind anytime, any day when you are asleep, and you will never have any issue to come with you as far as Nsuto are concerned. John Dramani Mahama. Nya kukudro efa hone ni pakro no the way ositie nya kukudro la bubu edan a esisi so kwas bubu ni nagu. And whoever want to claim judgment that yeah stand the pakro no Ghana hand say yeah no be chenyam because assassin wa for kwa person the toy even if of assassin kwa person the toy that is not why it's so sin die. We cannot continue to lament over useless issue like flooding. So if we are trying millions, at the end of the day, the country should come to a standstill. Come on. Okay. Yeah, because we are to me, because one can say, yeah, the bomb not issues that are crying for attention. Near Jani at 2 on more. Near can't in Sutobremu, in Swap, and know you very well said. Who na we see sa kwan no. Ojai. Yera. Jordan Mahama. Ya nto aba fa ma ho. Se bra be kasa. Ya nto aba fa ba ho. Se be yin sema no. Ya to aba ma say come give us results. Ojai. Ya Ghana for entimi nye. And the other side to me no, what was out to me now on the other mouse said, I feel a crowd here, no, that's also more rem, but yet to talk to me now the mouse said, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, yes, no, J. got a phone in I say, yeah, pal, brother, may you from my because I could come back on the bar, my bobra. Wait. Okay. What? I want to appointment to the as regional ministers. Tell them, His Excellency, tell them that they should live up to the task ahead of them because we are not in normal times. Some of the regional ministers are sleeping on their jobs. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, with the greatest of humility to you, I know you know best. But I'm telling you, most of your regional ministers are sleeping on their jobs. Most of your ministers are sleeping on their jobs. Arrogancies, any whatever, is now killing them because as I come, they want job. Some of the CEOs are sleeping on their jobs. So, I know you have spoken to them, but speak to them again. Tell them to learn sense. Now they should live up to the task ahead of them, because Ghana did not belong to them. Means once a person because there were a huge proposals. Any universities are good war. Things are good war in various places, various institutions. If we cannot solve a simple flooding issues, then I don't understand why, and I don't know why we have universities in our country called Ghana. Come on. We're common first degree for graduate me here. This one should not go to the master's level. So that the implementation process will be much more easier. Near say development planning committee. Go back some who say I don't make a car near the two of them. And go to see me. Yes, I will tell you development plan. Go here without Quasasem Qua. Tell your development plan. Go here now Quasasem Qua. There is no single plan. Single plan that will interest the development of our country called Ghana. Yes, there are 5 years development plan. Go here now Quasasem Qua. Move on to me. But the near bring because they race to top brim. Innocent people will die as a result of the negligence of people. It's some way Mojumayi. Now, so if 3 innocent people have died because of somebody's negligence, how are you going to bring the lives of those people back?
I didn't market to the citizens.
Because of who? What you want to do? And it's about what done a dear. Some perform your son. Why no wonder? How are you going to bring the lives of those people back? The hydrological agency or the Ministry of Lands, the Ministry of Highways, Roads and Highways. More they're in charge of constructing storm drains. Look what is on. Storm drain could be 2 years, 3 years. I don't know. I don't know. Sir, it's a rules I didn't say. I don't know. Hydrological agency under the Ministry of Roads and Highways. I'm a telephone number crowd for a crime call. It's a munusa dear to say and say, and these are people we call experts. Yet here won't come from me. Therefore, when a bad job said they should think for Ghana. Now, almost every day, we are reporting that related issues, pro-related issues, just because it's I said, no, you're done. Sorry, I said, yes, we said the book was your baby said, yeah, oh, that no one tells some part, one tells of Frana, just say, me refuse out, was your beno. Now, pay for to be better, say, and General Bush, I better say, oh, that no one tells of Frana, just say, come on, please, we say. I'm boss from boss, I say, or the India, and the answer the deputy to me say, hey, it's a hot man for some question because on the somewhere, and that's so. Okay. Turn up on your couple boss from boss, I say, I catch there. Onua kasa ne ba, what won't know. Kasi ye kuma ye bibia ne betumi ne yansa ne adwene ne yansa de aye no ne yase o nyame beye ntade ase ye de nimde aye no ne ye kwakopushi amanyame no yi very well say nimde ne yansa ne adwene wo otimo no efri obia ho do say twede apon yakopon a obo soro bo asas ono and that say nimde ne yansa de she otrim but then you are making it look as if okay, na me ma yansa. Any yansa no go for flavor. Bibini, Bibini any pow. Yeah, the son, not for that could be na Jimmy sa, not for that could be near Sanko just sorry them. Yes, Shirawo. I saw for Yehovah. Oh, yeah, crawl, sir. 31st night. Na come on, Pire, a random vampire the snow, a random vampire the snow. A free way I remember Rabbi, a Jamai Majai, a Yad Majai, 2 days, don't depend not that the WOHO.
Wait.
Any 30 minutes.
Bini, oh,
no, Pana, and I was wrong. Come.
Wait.
No, what a nice, wait, not the refusal of sorry them. I was snatching up on Yakuba said, when they were chum. 30 minutes later, hey,
wait.
Plan and direction. And then you might pass here, yeah, I bet me boy individually and as a mind. And you know,
When
and so we waste time on unnecessary issues. We pay attention to things that have no future. It's not quite best for no pa. What
Bini, oh, Jensen Wuno.
The local Bassarian no pa, no attempt what you're good about on one of Pabaco, and you have a you reback. No one knows, just because a person the baby we had the no Shiawa or Yawafa. Son, you didn't see what man had to say. We are not planning ahead of our lives. And that is what is causing us as a country. It's your mind, no, there be a common say from on at the bar. Your common say anywhere, not Bussana Baye, a Adoswa, and the Amaye, not free a Gusonia Hunia. Any no. I say, Odona River, Kwabnania Juba $4 million. I said the boat over the question and pass it, or so the quarter Odona River mu, 1 10 we were free by mu, into just say, Obia, a Redrobianca and Cadem. Yet you go so to sad day way home. And innocent people are dying because of your useless idea. Any idea of our wood trip. It is so obvious. But hey, Mammy Cadabia makes us a way say a war a better. But the blue point to be a yefa a jelly, and then yansa, and then dear. If I turn you maybe a year home, send a bear or mine or ye more mine car. And I make my catch us a mention. And I make catch us and one more day. Master of Focano, my body and what is so present, say. But Mirabako, Enra, Mijanetias, I know from the bush of 4 Frey. Patches no money said accommodation not the car. It's a diachemo. Yeah, writing the off entirely. By a man say a provision for bad debts and doubtful debts. Mutia fine when Tia some family call. Before when Grass uncle. When they shall be free car when me and Tia and him Grass say, yeah, there is a program who say. Nemo. We're going to my man who go for that's on the cow. You're a coquette, my man. My name say, Onua man call for the kwaji car there. That's so the car. Yesterday wa kotua te say ne ntim for jo kokotua ne de no. Na fi e de asumdua ba. Why? Na ye wo ba yo bi wa friend the kids banfo. Wa the Ghana car, wa ko free mass logo car wan tia, nyame mtua o car. Na Undo yansa adwen na kokotua u free car no sabo around 2020 we am mebo telephone number sisi ya de ato no mo bia hu se wo de Ghana car ma me mo sisi ya telephone number is 0557 1035 aka two numbers me mo nka ho but wo hu kokotua car wo de Ghana car very kwaku say o so de Ghana car maslog for de mo ka ko da kokotua what you say. Your person who be a mass of war spending over here, and when I may analysis be what I say. Now, on him, somewhere around 2020, I buy a release 124 million Ghana cedis, and then my mass log for the money if I conquer Yema monkoto machines, monkoto cars, monkoto niema betumi aboa the ordinary poor Ghanaian. Now ye the sense Canada akoto car ba ko ne de ama no akwakoja so untua ka. Na wuni ne wo se eja pade na nkatu da kase da be no. Se wuni ana wo se e da tumi kokoto car na de ma sa hwe so fa ye adwuma na fafa so brafia na kaba sa car na wi ada kwakosi wono se wuni ne wo se am branti se ya na be ye no. Ya this person sika hu de bebre se ya fa kokoya japade fa magana ba kwabnane any party interest any semu na mo pese mu dinti ene ye ne yedie ene ye hu ne ye ho na fe ye danka ne sorry a otwa ne ye de ye benum ti ye dika kra da se dada e chere mi nya da jabu bodi bebre ba wa unim so de kan hwe me wo 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 we na ya Ghana for amode maslok for ka ndc for ka o mo fo manim gwase kokotua ka na se mo tumi wo nipa ba ko tumi free cast be ba ko mako now the Ghana cardam person betua e be se dey nya scan bi dey atoka and dey ato hair dryer dey ma atabase wanko school enti okokosua the way see here etre here any ade payen kokosua machine na se we nya scan fa mana na okoma so go nya bia mana nya otwa no benom odum wi aye no ano no o hia wa nsutobremu nipa edwene kwaye befa so asto nsu na Ghana ni edwene kwaye befa so bu atopa be bu atopa nsutobremu sa
le Jensen hunu no
e bu atopa nsutobremu sa
Jensen hunu no
eti baby fasia. But then I have told you, sir, the mayor of Kofodia shall be joining us later this morning. Sasso and the new job at MC shall be joining us later this morning. And the spokesperson for the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources shall be joining us this morning. As a bonny work of too much. Sasso spray. Ye spring Kofono Mako.